Loosen the screws from all the 6 sides on the outlet side of the turbine meter using an Allen key. Then, carefully pull out the bearing cross and the turbine wheel from the meter. Prior to installation, it is important to check that the bearing axle and the turbine wheel is free of dirt. Before placing the wheel inside, it is also important to ensure that it matches with the serial number of the turbine meter. Place the turbine wheel inside and ensure that it rotates freely. Then place the bearing cross inside in such a position that the marking 1 aligns with the marking 1 engraved on the meter. Then tighten the loosened screws back again using an Allen key.